Alright, so we're back to putting rafters on today. Yesterday, we were going to start putting rafters on, and we needed to finish the plywood on the sides of the building because the rafters lap over top of that. So we had to like do a little bit more insulation in the corners, and then you can see like up there was like an opening or a gap. We finished filling that rest in with the plywood, and then it was just pretty much doing a bunch of layout and stuff yesterday and getting the rafters all laid out. So I have a pile of rafters here that are cut and ready to go. I got 6 more laid out that are ready to go or to be cut. So right now we're gonna get the lifts moved around, and we're gonna get this other end rafter put on here, and then we're gonna start putting them on the rest of the way. I'm hoping I should have enough cut that we can get half of the rafters on today, hopefully, if everything goes smooth. But I gotta get the lift moved over here. The scissor lift has gotta come over here. So we're gonna move that stuff, and then I'm gonna set the camera up on the second floor up there to get us putting all the rafters up. So we're gonna get set up and then start zipping them up there. Alright guys, so me and Lisa finished up the rest of the sheeting on the gable ends this morning. We got halfway done with the rafters yesterday and we got to keep coming this way. But we got to get this dormer built because there's a different set of rafters that go on top of this dormer, and the wind just blew that board right off the edge of the loft, which is cool. So I'm gonna have to go get that. But anyways, this is gonna be another way for us to have a window over in this wall. So this is everything here besides the header is laying over here. I got to put the header together and insulate it. But we're gonna slap this wall together, and then it's gonna be up on top of this wall, creating a secondary roof pitch. And then, like I said, that's another spot for us to have a window. So I think it's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, we're going to slap it together. I got to climb down and get that board now, but yeah, we're going to slap it together and then we're going to put it up, probably screw it down, and then try and sheet it right away too. Alright, what's going on? We are back at it again today. Last night the camera died on us and I was starting to run low on memory space again, so I had to go and get another hard drive so I could have a place to put all this film. But we ended up getting the dormer wall put up last night. We didn't get it sheeted, but we're going to try and get it sheeted today. This morning I finished cutting all of our 16-foot long rafters. We have some 12-footers over here that are going to go, those are the rafters that are going to go on top of the dormer wall. It's a little bit different of a roof pitch, so they didn't need to be as long, but I got everything loaded up on the forklift. We're gonna pick it up, put it upstairs, because while my brother was here, we got all the rafters done on the living room side. In the living room side, there's 20-foot ceilings in there, so it kind of would have been tough for me to do those by myself, but I have the loft floor to work off of in the other side of the building, so I am able to reach those a lot easier with a ladder. So Lisa's gonna be able to stand on the loft floor and run the bottom end of the rafter, and I can climb up the ladder and run the top side. So our goal today is to get all of the 16-foot rafters put up. Lisa has to go out of town for work next week, so I'll be here working by myself, and I know that I can get the rafters for the dormer done by myself. They're only 12-footers and it's not as extreme of a pitch, so I should be able to manhandle those and get those taken care of. But while she's here today, I'd really like to try and get the rest of the 16-foot rafters done so that hopefully while she's gone I can finish the 12-foot rafters and then I can start sheeting the roof, and then we don't have to worry about rain and snow getting inside anymore. So we got beautiful weather today. It's like 70 degrees. It's a little windy, so we were blessed with that. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this stuff up. We're gonna climb up there, get everything unloaded, and then we're gonna start putting rafters up. So we'll see you upstairs.
And I'll just break it up in chunks.
Whoa!
Holy
Who the fuck put that there? it?
Yeah, I got it. That's where it needs to be. Yep. Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Got it?
Yep. Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Got it?
Yep. Got it.
You just hold your horses, dude. Got it? Got it? Hold that. Last one. There